Do you live in Leak City and think you might have foundation problems? Hi, I'm Derek with Deep Rock Foundations, and today we're going to talk about specific issues that residents in Leak City experience with their foundations. Leak City's on pretty soft clay soil, so your foundation is typically going to be on a one-story home 2 foot deep. A two-story home might be 3 feet deep, and that is still going to move as the trees grow in your front yard and seasonality changes, summer to winter, or even weather events like a drought. Leak City is full of neighborhoods that have big oak trees in their front yard. It's really common, like this home we're in front of now, to have 2 oak trees in your front yard. They're gonna drink a lot of moisture out of the soil, and that moisture is gonna cause your foundation to settle. 2011 was a really bad drought, and a ton of foundation problems occurred then, for years after that, we were getting calls about. 2022 and 2023 were also pretty bad drought years that caused a lot of foundations in the Leak City area to move. Some of the other things uniquely that Leak City experiences is flooding. When water during a flood sits around your house, it's gonna cause that soil all around to swell up and then dry out. And so we have these droughts that hit. It's gonna cause that soil to dry out that was really swelled up from hurricanes and floods, and then it dries out, causing major foundation movement. So anytime the foundation is moving, swelling up, or moving down, primarily moving down, you're gonna start seeing foundation visual signs. So common things to look for: cracks in the tile or separation in your wood flooring. You might notice sheetrock damage, brick damage, or your door sticking. It's a great idea to call a foundation consultant to come check out your foundation if you're seeing any visual signs in your home. Deep Rock Foundations will send out a professional consultant to come review your foundation. We can put together a detailed plan for you and give you detailed, no change pricing. Deep Rock Foundations is based out of Leak City. So if you're seeing any visual signs and you have concerns about your foundation, and you want to work with a local company that knows your area, call Deep Rock Foundations.